Hi guys! Quick live withdrawal lang po tayo sa Wago Up or Waygo Up. As you can see guys, may current balance ako na 122. So mag-withdraw tayo ng 120. Check natin kung paying pa sila kasi ilang days na ba si Waygo Up Lab? 4 days na siya ngayon. So, yan na nga guys. Waiting na lang. Wait na lang natin na mag-success yung ating withdraw. Habang inintay natin na dumating yung aking withdraw sa aking GCash, is that pag nag-register po kayo dito, may libre kayo na 20 pesos. Tapos guys, ang minimum invest lang po is 300 pesos. So, kikita siya ng 60 pesos per day. Yung 700 pesos mo kikita ng 144 pesos per day. Yung 1,500 pesos mo kikita ng 324 pesos per day. So, yung ibang product na matataas guys is hindi pa po nagbubukas. Kaya for sure tatagal pa to si Waygo. So, yun guys, ilalagay ko na lang once na nag-success na yung aking withdraw. So, ayan na nga guys, nag-success na yung aking withdraw. Dumating na siya sa aking GCash. You have received 108 pesos of GCash from. So, paying na paying pa rin po si Waygo Up. So, 108 lang po yung ating na-receive kasi po meron siyang 10% na withdrawal fee. And ang minimum withdraw dito is 70 pesos, no. Ang kagandahan dito, guys, is nada-download po yung app. So, yun lang, guys. Ilalagay ko na lang po sa pinned comment section ko yung aking link. And again, guys, invest what you can afford to lose lang, guys. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Bye-bye!